Hi friends, this video shows how to reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select general management, go down, tap on reset, go down, then tap on factory data reset. Tap here, then tap on reset button. Here we should be careful because this operation would delete all data from phone, including videos, audio files, photos, accounts, apps, everything. If you are okay with this deletion, then you can tap on this reset button, then tap on this delete all button. So this way we can trigger factory data reset and delete all data from phone. Okay, so this is a reset process. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.